Hi, in this video you will see how to book digital fest trainings for students and projects you trainings for teachers and students using mobile app. So if you're planning to conduct digital fest in your school and student registration has already started and you want to book digital fest training for your students, you have to scroll down and go to services section and click on digital fest menu. So when you click on it, you'll be directed to digital fest dashboard and click on book digital fest training button, and you will see an option to select if it's an orientation session. If it's the first session, you can click on the orientation session checkbox, or else you can book online or offline training sessions for your students. So I'm going to schedule an online session, so I'll select date and click on next button and select time slot, your convenient time slot, and click on next and select your competition type, for which competition type you want to train your students. Select it and select category. So you can select multiple categories as required, or select your particular category you want to train and give the count of students for the training and click on next. So here is a summary of what you have selected. Make sure it's correct and click on confirm. So now you have booked your digital fest training session. So when you scroll down, you can see a training, you can search it and find it. And now when you click on it, you will see the training details of the session you have booked. Now when you go back, you will be directed to the trainings home screen, trainings menu, and here you can see the count of the total trainings which you have booked, which is upcoming, which is completed. All the training details will be displayed here. And to book a new training session, you can click on book a training session button. So click on book a training session button, and here you can book either digital fest student training or project suite training. Now let's book a project suite training. So click on project suite. So for project suite, you can book online or offline sessions for students or teachers. So now let's book an online training for teachers. So I have selected online and teachers, selected date and click on next, and I'll select a time slot and next, and I'll select a category. So you can select either category or grade. So if it's category, you can choose the category and the year. You can choose multiple categories and multiple years too, as per your requirement, and then type the topic of the training session. So on which topic you want the training session to be done, you have to enter the required topic in the topic field. So after entering the topic, click on the next button to go to the summary page. So here is a summary of all the details you have added, so make sure it's all correct. And if you want to add a special request, you can click on it and add it, and then click on confirm button. So now you have booked your online session, teachers training online session. You can scroll down or search your trainings and click on it to view the details of the training session. So this is the training details. You can check it, and also you can cancel your booking or reschedule it as per your requirement. Now you can see all the bookings in the bookings tab, and upcoming sessions in the upcoming tab, and past sessions, that completed sessions in your past tab of trainings menu. Now let's go back to our trainings menu. Here now let's book again an offline session. So click on book a training and click on projects your training. Now let's book an offline training. So select offline mode, and again I'm booking for teachers. So select a date, next, and your default school location will be loaded here. And if you want to change this, you can type it, and you can give the reporting time which the trainer have to report for the offline training. You can select the reporting time of the trainer, and next you can select either category or grade. Category, if it's category wise training, you can select it, or if it's grade wise training for teachers, you can select it accordingly. So I'm selecting category, so I select a category and a year. And now let's give topic of the trainings, and provide if there is network availability there in your school or not. Select it, and also food availability. And next, here is a summary page. Verify all the details are correct and click on confirm to book your session. So this is how you book offline training sessions for teachers. So likewise, you can book online and offline digital fest and project suite trainings for your students and teachers using mobile app. Thank you.